Me in a very serious state of anger. Last week Sunday morning me wake up and 20,000 persons were on live. Nicki Minaj, Blam them, Pretty Dan, and the whole of them on live. And I remember I did a live to say, it look like people at Jamaica no go to church again. And it look like nobody no go to church again. Because everybody on social media. And I am questioning, why is it Nicki Minaj take over Jamaican TikTokers? And if you don't see it, say the whole heap of gift them when Nicki Minaj a give, if it turn Jamaican TikTokers against each other, because it appears as if some sacrifices there, and Nicki Minaj not helping Trinidad, but Nicki Minaj is setting Jamaican TikTokers. You remember? Forward to 1 week. This morning now me wake up. Fissy Pretty Dan put out something. Say Blam them. And who carry gunman go our house. Mass up with Nicki Minaj voice in the background for analyze her. You no continue take Nicki Minaj gift. You no continue take Nicki Minaj lie and see what go happen to you. You no continue take it and see what go happen to you. The whole of them go analyze each other because Nicki Minaj torment. It's obvious that a lot of them will reach the top. And some whole heap of things they meddling up to reach the top. And you see, uno because you no licky and no beggy, a whole lot of uno go get caught in the crossfire. Me I want to know but you no listen. What could have caused this great backlash between Pretty Dan and Blam them so till weapon get involved, so till Blam them, camera pick up Blam them, a Pretty Dan that input out by Instagram say him go if it's true. What's happening with you people? What's happening? What kind of carelessness is this? What is it about Nicki Minaj? Why she's so careless and she's so torment? What? Oh no, keep it up. Oh no, keep it up. Sorry shall be on a middle name. Because I'm not hungry and not licky. And I don't have no second eye. You see me? I don't get no gift from no, I don't want it. I declare already, I don't want no gift. Because I not go afford to sacrifice my husband. When say so, no can do no my husband nothing. My husband good. I not go sacrifice my children for no gift. So no keep it. But you know it's one whole bunch of disgraceful. Oh no, I can't even find words to call you this morning. There's a bunch of disgrace. Oh no.